Hi everyone, Boomer here in the Dream Giveaway Garage. And today I wanted to talk about a few things on this beautiful 62 Corvette Custom. We've gotten a lot of questions on the hood itself. So let me hit the hood button and have it come up. It is an electric hood. This is a Dakota digital system. It's got a 6-inch actuator in it. So one press, you press the button, hood comes up. And some of the questions have been, okay, the hood doesn't like fly all the way up and open all the way up. How do you get in here to work on it? Well, let me answer it this way. Because these engine compartments are so small, I could only put a 6-inch actuator in here. Here's your actuator right here. All right. So it would only fit in a 6-inch actuator between the frame and the bottom of the hood. So after we, made the clip to attach this to the hood and make it all work, 6 inches was all the stroke that we could get. An 8-inch just would not fit under here. If you need more room to get up under here and work on something, there's a bolt that goes through right here. It's an Allen head bolt. You take an Allen wrench, you take that straight out, the hood will lift all the way up and sit straight up for you. So yeah, there's no problem at all accessing this motor. I don't know, unless you needed to get the alternator out or maybe the radiator out. There's plenty of room to work on this car with the hood in the position that it is now. But like I said, one-touch actuator. So come in here and hit the button one more time. We're down. Hood will go down, seal up, and that's it. Beautiful system. Very, very cool touch on this car too. Makes for a cool arrival at a car show. So, if you have any questions on this beautiful 62 Corvette or any of the others, give us a call here at Dream Giveaway Garage, or send us an email, or just go online at dreamgiveaway.com. Get your tickets, help out charities, and we'll see you next time in the Dream Giveaway Garage.